Welcome back. I want to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to use the Rehab budget calculator. In order to get to the calculator, just go to firstclassflipping.com, come down to the free resources tab. You'll see investor calculators, and you come down and you'll see the Rehab budget calculator, and that'll bring you back to this page here. If you guys are on YouTube or any other social media platform, we'll just leave a link in the description so you can find the calculator at ease. Okay, first you're going to see the property information, which is totally optional. We just put this here just in case you want to share this with maybe your business partner or your lender or client or what have you, because you do have the option to print this out at the end. So if you wanted to share it, just put your name, your phone number, your email, and the property address so you can reference what property it is. Other than that, you really don't even need that part. So we'll come down to the preliminary work. Let's say your demolition. And in this, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be real conservative because every market is different. You should know the numbers in your market better than I do. So I'm just going to throw numbers out here, but you can always adjust these numbers. Okay, let's just say the demolition, you put aside 1,000, and you can always come over here and leave yourself a note what this was all about. Okay, let's say dumpsters 2,500. Again, like I said, say you need 5 dumpsters, and dumpsters are costing you $500 a piece. Let's get 2,500. Let's say your permits are 1,500. You can leave yourself a note here saying something like that's going to be plumbing, HVAC, and electrical permits. Okay, now you want to come down what you're going to get done in the interior. Again, everybody works differently. With me, for the most parts, I provide the materials for my contractors, and my general contractors, I hire them and just pay them labor. But I do pay my plumbers and my trade guys separately. But so like as far as framing, I would do something like saying I'm going to provide the materials. So this would be M-O. That gives me a note letting me know that's materials only. Let's say I'm spend about $1,000 in lumber for framing. Electrical, that's normally labor and materials. With my electrician, let's say that's going to run me $5,000. Again, I'm being real conservative with these numbers, guys. Plumbing, let's say that's another $5,000. Okay, let's say your HVAC, you need new furnace, AC. Let's say that runs you $5,500. Are you doing flooring? If so, add that in. Let's say kitchen tile. Let's say you need new floors and you want to do backsplash. So let's say you put 1,000 to the side for that. How about cabinets and countertops? For a nice small kitchen in a small market, you could probably get that done for around $4,500. Let's say appliances. I usually shop on sale. I get those at around 3,000. Let's say you need some drywall repairs, and let's say if you're only providing the drywall, let's say I would budget 1,000 just for drywall. Okay, let's say you need bathroom tile done. That would be your floors and maybe your walls, like your shower surround. So let's say you can say, okay, I need 2 bathrooms. So you'll put that over here, put 2 bathrooms, and that may run you, let's say, $1,000 just for the tile. How about the vanities? Again, let's put your note. I got 2 bathrooms. I got 3 bathrooms. But following, for sake of the 2 bathrooms, let's say I need 2 vanities. Let's say you can catch them on sale, $250 a piece, so that's $500. Your bathroom fixtures. This is usually, I count this as my tubs, my toilets, my faucets, mirrors, and everything like that. So let's say for 2 bathrooms, let's say I'll put $2,000. Okay, let's say windows. Let's say you need 10 windows, and they're running you close to $300 a piece. So that's 3,000. Your interior doors. Let's say I need 10 doors, and they're running like $200 a piece. So that's another 2,000. Your trim. That's going to be your baseboard, your casing, your crown molding, your shoe molding, and things like that. And again, with me, this is going to be materials only for me. And let's say I'm going to put $1,500 to the side for that. Let's say I need about 3 bedrooms that need carpet. I'll put $1,000 for that. Are you going to refinish any floors in there? Let's say you want to refinish the floors in the living room and the dining room and the hallways. Let's say that runs you $1,500. Light fixtures, I always put about 1,000 to the side for all my interior, exterior lights. Again, interior painting. Again, this is going to be materials only for me because I do have a pro account with Sherwin-Williams, so I provide the paint. and I just paid a painter. I'm usually spending about $1,500 on interior paint. What other fixtures do you have? You can add that here. In basement, let's hypothetically say, let's say I want to add another bedroom or something in the basement. I just need to drywall and frame it. So let's say that's going to cost me about $3,500. And any other interior, you can put that here. Now let's go to the outside. Let's say you want to wrap your windows, your exterior trim. You want to wrap those in aluminum, your windows and doors. Let's say that runs you $1,500. Are you going to paint the exterior, or are you going to do siding? Let's say we're going to do siding, so don't worry about the painting. Let's say I need 2 exterior doors. They're running me about $275, $375 a piece. So let's just say I'm going to put $750 to the side for that. Do you need any work done in your porches? What about siding? We did say we want siding, so let's do $5,000 for siding. Let's say we also need a roof. This is going to be materials and labor, $5,000. Do I need gutters and downspouts? Materials and labor with that would be around $1,000. Are you going to do a new fence? What about landscaping? Say you want to do something nice in the yard. I'll put $2,500 for landscaping. And that's basically what you do, guys. Do you want to do anything to your driveway? Do you need new blacktop or concrete in your driveway? Do you need to do anything with your foundation? What about brick pointing or welding or anything else on the exterior? You would put all of that stuff here. Now, next, like I said, I pay my general contractor labor only, right? So let's see. For general contractor, let's say I paid him $25,000 in labor on this property. Again, guys, I'm being conservative with the numbers. Now, any other labor, did you bring in any other trade guys that weren't included up there? You could put that to the side. What about contingency? I like to have a little contingency just in case I go over budget. So I'll put a $5,000 contingency. What is it going to cost me to clean up? You know, once you finish the rehab, that's going to usually run me about $500. Staging, I do like to stage my properties when I flip them. That runs me about $1,500. What about utilities? Let's say you're gonna need water, heat, and electric on while the time you're flipping it. Say you're only going to be in there 5 or 6 months, so let's just say maybe $1,000 for that, and you can put anything else that you could think of here. So as you see, guys, the total rehab cost is roughly $98,000, which is around what I'm usually spending on a flip actually these days. But yeah, so it's that simple, guys. Just plug in your numbers and it'll give you everything here, and you do have the option to save and print when you're done. The good thing about this calculator, you don't have to download it. You know, you don't have to sign up. It's free for you guys to use. All you have to do is basically just come up here and bookmark it in your browser, and you can come back and use it whenever you like. All right, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys on your next flip. Peace out.